Working memory is part of the executive function that plays a big role in how we process, use, and remember information daily. Working memory, in particular, is strongly correlated with intelligence in children and adults. When people perform better on a working memory task, they also tend to perform better on an intelligence task. However, a growing body of research suggests that intelligence has less to do with the brain's processing speed and more to do with executive control of working memory. Two popular measures of working memory capacity are the operation and listening span tests. In this test, the participants are presented with a series of math problems followed by target words. The number of properly retrieved numbers and words are scored. Listening span tasks ask listeners to recall a specific number of items from a list. The maximum number of items that a person can recall represents his or her listening span. Listening span has also been shown to be a valid predictor of learning disability, and comprehension. So, what tasks in your daily life use working memory? I have frequently heard it said working memory is remembering directions, email addresses, or other pertinent information just long enough so you can get it into your phone or your computer. But I was thinking tonight when I was making dinner, how about cooking? That's a skill that takes an immense amount of cognitive and working memory. Meredith Daneman and Patricia Carpenter found a strong correlation between working memory scores and verbal SAT tests of reading comprehension nonverbal tests of intelligence called the Raven Progressive Matrix. These puzzles employ two-dimensional visual analog problems in which participants are directed to select the design that completes each pattern. Another commonly used test, the Montreal Cognitive Assessment, or MoCo, test, takes about 15 minutes. It includes memorizing a short list of words, copying of a shape or object, and looking at pictures of animals and saying, which animals do you see? The term executive function refers to the higher cognitive skills you use to control and coordinate your abilities and behavior. Executive functions include controls related to inhibition of responses, shifting mental awareness, monitoring and regulating performance, updating task demands, planning, working memory, among others. The term executive function refers to the higher level cognitive skills you use when you control and coordinate your abilities and behaviors. Related to the final aspect of self-control, delayed gratification for immediate, delaying gratification for immediate pleasure for a greater reward later. For example, a diet is a matter of cognitive control, taking in good calories while rejecting sweets in an attempt to lose weight. Studying instead of being on social media, that's another example of executive function. Significant cognitive impairment in schizophrenia affects 75% of patients. Executive functions are responsible for controlling, processing, and working memory, including but not limited to directing attention, maintaining task goals, decision-making, and memory retrieval. A wide range of cognitive functions are affected, particularly memory, attention, motor skills, executive function, and intelligence. Dysfunction has been significantly associated with the psychosocial facet of schizophrenia.